career. So it's been, like you said, it's been a long-term goal. So I would say not to get discouraged if, you know, it doesn't happen for you right away. You just keep at it, because if it's a dream and it's really inside of you, it's always going to be there. It's always going to be there for you to reach for at some point. So for me, it's taken away.
So Candida Rose is a song that I wrote the lyrics to, and this is also a song that I wrote the lyrics and the music to. It's called Too Late to Turn Back Now, and somehow you knew I needed you somehow. I felt you wanted me somehow. This beautiful thing has come into me, and it's too late to turn back now. Your eyes have captured my soul, and your words have opened my heart, and I want you to know that I'm lost in your flow, and it's too late to turn back now. Pure emotion, true devotion, parts of me, I'll share them with you. Hearts on fire, breathe desire. There's no end to what we can do. It's too late to turn back now.
One of the things that I've learned that I want to share with you guys is that the bigger the stage and the more, like, the hotter song you write, the flyer beat you get, the bigger names it is that you're opening with or collaborating with, the more you realize that these people are just like you. They're just like you. They're human beings and they have ideas. And the only difference between you and them is that they implement their ideas. They know what they want, they go for their goal, and they go and do it. Just like Candida said, as soon as she knew what she wanted, she did it. You know? Like, she just found that drive in her, and she did it. What's good about music is that there is no right and wrong. You're always right. When you write your own song, you're right. You're already right. You're writing your own story. All right? So in your story, you could be whoever you want to be. Do you know that? You could be like a queen. A lot of people don't think that girls can rap, or they don't think that they can write their own lyrics. What's up with that? You could write your own lyrics. Right here, right? In the middle, right there. That's your third eye, right? That's your mind, right? So that's what you need to use, right? Your mind. You need to see with your mind, right? Because anything that you can see, that you can dream of, that you can imagine, you could achieve. You know that, right?
Yeah.
You know that, right? Say, yeah!
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay! Are you guys ready to rock?
Yeah.
Are you ready to rock?
Yeah.
Here we go, here it is. Let's get serious. Let's tell the children exactly what it really is. Let's break it down for the itty bitty kitty. Like more going on in the blacks in the city. Your mind is a tool, so use your third eye. And if you really with it, throw your hands in the sky. Got oil in the water and smoke in the sky. Kids that's hungry, brothers that die. And the U.S. baby got the best supply of anything you want, anything you can buy. There's enough for every want, enough for every need, enough for everybody. There's too much greed, and the ones that's the top of the pyramid, they hear this. A project is a project, a pyramid. They build them from the bottom to the top. The sticks and the palms and the stronger than a rock. Third eye open. Third eye open. Open. Third eye open. Third eye open. Third eye open. Third eye open. Enough about the problems. I'm about solutions. I'm about the grassroots. I'm about the movement. I'm about the people. I'm about the music. Hands in the air, 'cause we all gonna do this. I'm about to show you nothing is impossible. UNITY, any obstacle. Obstacles, they are fake. It's your world. It's here to take. Get more than what you take. For goodness sake, we all in this thing together. Let's break it down. We gon' do whatever. Connect with your soul. Let your body take control. I got tools. I got dreams. I got goals. I got things. I got love. I got life. I got heart. I will strive. You got tools. You got dreams. You got hope. You got things. You got love. You got life. You got heart. You will strive. Third eye open. Third eye open.
So how did you like today's session?
Good.
Good. Very, how about you?
You know I'm the third sister, but I came out late. I came out a day late.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
Is this gonna be on TV?
Yeah. How did you like today's session? Was it good? How about you? How did you like today's session?
Good.
Good. How about you?
Exactly.
How'd you like today's session?
Good.
Awesome. Yeah. How about you? How was today's session? How'd you like today?
Good.
Good. How about you? How'd you like today?
Awesome.
How about you?
It was amazing. Extremely awesome. Extremely awesome. More than awesome. More than awesome.
How'd you like today?
Good.
Yeah?
I liked it. She's great. Awesome.
Back to school.
Good. All right, girls.
Awesome.
Thank you. You ladies did a good job, all right?